Ukrainian soldiers entered the key southern city of Kherson on Friday after Russian forces earlier said that they had completed their retreat across the Dnipro River. Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky called the withdrawal of Russian troops a historic day in the conflict, but military leaders also called for caution as the war continues. Kherson was the only major Ukrainian city to be captured by Russia following the invasion in February. Russia says 30,000 troops were pulled out of the region because they were no longer able to send them supplies. Dozens of Ukrainians, some refugees from Kherson, gathered for celebrations on the capital's main square that continued into the night. Jubilant residents welcomed Ukrainian troops arriving in the center of Kherson on Friday after Russia abandoned the only regional capital it had captured since its invasion began in February. People popped bottles of champagne, sang the national anthem, and shouted "Glory to Ukraine." Some expressed surprise at the speed of events. There have also been celebrations around the country with many children and teenagers celebrating in the capital city Kyiv and Odessa. I thought the Russian army would defend and there would be a kind of siege in Mariupol, the eastern port devastated in weeks of battle, said Andrei Troch, a resident of Odessa who works in Kyiv. It's a very significant day for Ukraine because it shows the entire world that Ukraine can and definitely will defend every square kilometer and inch of territory. Videos posted on social media also showed locals on the streets flying Ukraine's national flag and chanting as members of Ukraine's army arrived. Russian troops left a significant number of mines and explosives during the withdrawal from Kherson on vital objects in particular, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said in a statement on his website on Friday. Ukraine's leader also said that journalists' access to key southern city liberated by Kyiv forces on Friday could not be ensured until at least basic communications are defined. We will restore all conditions of normal life as much as possible, he said. Ukrainian defense advisor Yuri Sak says that although Russia has moved its forces from Kherson, he warns that the city may now face attack from missiles being fired from tanks or cannons. But he added that at the moment we are quietly optimistic. We are beginning to carry out stabilization measures in Kherson, but of course we understand that there are future battles which we will have to win.